If you want to customize your YouTube like this for free, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to customize your YouTube step by step. Watch until the end for a complete guide. We will customize our YouTube using two Chrome extensions. I will provide links to these extensions in the description. First, open the first extension from the description. After opening the Chrome Web Store, click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. It will automatically open a new tab where you will see a card. If you want, you can purchase it, but if not, you can skip it. Here you will see multiple options for customization including Google, Instagram, Facebook, and many more. For now, we want to customize YouTube, so select the YouTube category. You can choose a theme, a progress bar, and a logo. There are a lot of options available. Now, let's go to the second page. I want to replace the YouTube logo with this kitty logo. Click on the kitty logo and then click on Add. Now, go to YouTube. You will see that our logo has been replaced with the kitty logo. Next, let's change the progress bar. Choose any progress bar style you like. For now, I prefer this one. After adding it, reload the YouTube page. You will see that the progress bar's color has changed. If it doesn't show up due to a glitch in the extension, wait a little bit and it should appear. Now, let's add one more progress bar. I am going to add this Pikachu progress bar. Add it and reload the YouTube page. If the Pikachu bar style doesn't show up, click on the stylish extension from the extension bar, then click on My Styles, and turn off the Fox bar. Now you can see the progress bar is yellow. Next, let's change the color of YouTube. Open the second extension from the description and add it. Then, go to the YouTube homepage and open the color extension from the extension bar. Choose any color scheme you like. I like this one, so I will proceed with it. After choosing the color theme, if you want to customize the colors further, click on Color Change, where you can adjust the colors according to your preference. After setting everything up, listen carefully. Do not click on the cross icon. If you click on it, all settings will be reset. Instead, click anywhere else on the page like this. So, that's how you can customize your YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon.